What a fabulous tour, honestly. So enjoyed ourselves. The information was brilliant, the photographs were brilliant. As you can see, I love my photographs. Absolutely thoroughly enjoyed it, and loads of information from our guide. Really well worth doing.
Yes, indeed. Very informative, very friendly guide, very knowledgeable guide. Rakesh, thank you very much indeed. We really enjoyed ourselves. All the very best. Keep going.
Yeah, thank you so much, Rakesh. Very knowledgeable, and everyone was really sweet. And must visit if you're in Mumbai.
Very funny. Also very patient. We took like so much of his time, extra time, but he's still
Smiling.
with so much to doing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
On the outside at least.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.